Say it. Say this one again. Can
Can
I?
okay. So can can those dead?
See, as you observed, you missed the last letters of those words. It should be Ken Dod's dad's dog's dead. Sorry, Ken Dod's dad's dog's dead. So I always pronounce the last letters.
Oh, can
Okay.
you see my cursor?
Yeah, yeah,
Cursor.
yeah, yeah, yeah. I can see it.
So I miss this S sound.
No, but you miss this one. These were letters. I'm
Oh,
highlighting the letters there. Can you see it?
oh yes, I can see. Oh,
Okay,
the
there.
D sound. I'm
Yeah.
omit the D sound.
Yeah. So it should be Ken Dod's dad's dog's dead. But as I've heard, you always say Ken does das does dead. It should be Dod dad dog. But of
Oh,
course,
oh,
yeah, but of
dead,
course there's a letter S.
dead. Okay, okay.
Mm-hmm.
Let me practice again.
Okay.
Uh, can can uh toad, those.
Dods.
Can
Dods.
those. Can those that can those days dog can those dead.
Ken Dod's dad's dog's dead. Always try to pronounce the last letters.
Okay.
Okay? But anyway, I understand that you're not yet familiar with this one. Let's just try that again on our next class, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, so anyway, nice try. Good job. Because it's still, I mean, you're still not yet familiar with this, but you're able to perform this tongue twister. All right, so as you can see, I have a box there under the tongue twister that you've practiced. Can you see it?
Yes, I can see it.
Yeah, so we have there different kinds or different, not really that different, but we have there examples or the way or different ways, I mean, different ways on how they create a sentence,
Mm-hmm.
different ways on how they transform the sentence.
Yeah.
All right, so our first sentence is I eat cake and ice cream. So that is the first sentence. Can you see it?
Yeah, I can see it. I
Yeah.
just okay.
All right.
So
So this
yeah.
one is like a simple sentence, right?
Yes. Simple sentence.
Hmm. And as you can see, they only used this sentence, one sentence, I eat cake and ice cream, but they just changed the verbs
The
on,
verb.
yeah, they just changed the verb of that sentence to create a different one.
Yeah. I
Mm-hmm.
ate the cake and ice cream.
Yeah, so first is the simple one, which is the positive sentence. I eat cake and ice cream.
Mm-hmm.
I
Yeah.
eat cake and ice cream. How about the negative sentence?
Uh yeah. Is the next one is I don't eat cake and ice cream.
Yeah, that's it. That's a negative sentence, right?
Mm.
As you can see, they just add the word don't.
Yes.
Yeah, so if of course it will be a negative sentence because you added the word don't, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Don't or do not.
Do not. Yeah.
Yeah, and you can also use no or not, but not in this kind of sentence, okay? Just try to recreate your sentence. So these are the words that you can use to make your sentence in a negative form. All right?
Hmm. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. And the next one is present continuous.
Present continuous. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. All right. Can you try to read it?
I am eating cake and ice cream.
All right. So what do you observe in this one? First, they just added don't to make it negative. But how about this one? How did they make this one in a present continuous form?
Yeah. Add the be verb.
Yeah.
The verb a the post the the ending is in ing.
Okay, the last part, they just add ing at the last part. Okay, be verb plus the verb plus ing. Be verbs are, can you tell me the be verbs?
Because is I am
Not, okay, am, what else?
is are.
Mm-hmm. All right, so they are the be verbs. How about, let's say for example, this is a past continuous. How can you use the be verbs or what are the past tense of these be verbs? If
Uh,
you're going to
I
make a past continuous, yes.
I was eating cake and
Okay.
ice cream.
All right. Was
Were
where?
were
And yeah. And the past participle is been, right? Been.
oh I missed that. Yeah.
Yeah. No, I didn't ask you about the past participle. So it's okay.
Oh,
All right. So next one is future.
future
Future.
is I will eat cake and ice cream. I will eat.
Yeah, I will eat cake and ice cream. So they just added the word
Will.
will. What else? What else are the words that you can use to make it in a future tense? I mean, in a future sentence.
Uh, uh, be going to.
Going to
Yeah, be
or be
going to.
going
I am
to.
going to. Yeah.
What else?
Um, I might.
Mm-hmm.
For future tense, I only know will and be going to.
Ah, okay. How about this one? Shall.
Oh, I shall. Okay.
Yeah, but anyway, what is the difference or what are the differences between will, going to, and shall?
Shall shall the chance the percentage uh uh I or the subject will do. I guess am be going to is most likely 90% will do.
Yeah.
Will about 50%.
Okay.
We show maybe 80 or 70 or 80%, I guess.
For shall.
Yeah, for sure.
Okay. Anyway, you're almost there. You're almost there. But anyway, your answer to the differences between will and going to is correct. Will
Okay.
is like you're just having plans.
Having plan. Okay.
Yeah, it's like you're planning it. You're still planning to go or to do something, and going to is like you're already sure.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, you're already sure that you will do that you will do this, that you will go there, like that. And then shall is like the things that you must do. in the future.
Oh, sure is
Yes,
must do.
must. Okay. So let's say, what shall I do what shall I do after I finish my paperworks? It's like that. So meaning you're asking about the thing that you must do after that.
Oh, what should I do? Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So are we clear? Any questions so far?
No, no.
Oh,
Yeah, it is more clear for sure. Yeah,
it's clearer now.
yeah. It's more clear now. Yes.
No, 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 don't say more clear. It's clearer.
It's clear.
Clearer.
It's clear. Clear.
Yeah, clearer. Clear, clear, clearest.
Clear. Clear.
Yeah.
Clearest.
Okay, so don't say more clear. It's wrong.
Mm,
And you can,
okay.
yeah, you cannot even say beautifuler, beautifuler, beautifulest, right? So it should be more beautiful, most beautiful.
Yeah. Okay. Beautiful should use more beautiful, right?
Yeah. More beautiful
Most.
or,
Yeah.
yeah, most beautiful. That is comparative and superlative words. So,
Yeah.
okay, next, past.
Pet. The change the verb and
The
yeah
be
just
verb, the verb.
the yes the verb
Yeah.
change the verb.
hmm So it changed the verb. Okay, just changed the verb and created the past sentence. Okay, next, our last one, present perfect.
Uh, uh, I have eaten cake and ice cream. Add the
Yeah.
have or has.
Yes, have or has. But how to use have, how to use has.
Have is for the I use have or and the third the object is like she and he and she use has.
Third person.
Third person, yes.
Okay, so yeah, we use have for singular, for plural form, or for, yeah, for plural form, and then has is for the singular, okay? But the exemption for, but the exemption is I and you can also use have but not has, right?
Uh, I'm not sure. So,
Yeah,
uh, you and me have.
you, not me. You cannot say
Uh,
me have eaten cake and ice cream. It's wrong. It should be I have eaten cake and ice cream. You have eaten cake and ice cream.
but sometimes I want to say you and me
You and I.
together. Yeah, yeah. So the verb the have or has the verb should use have, right?
Yeah. Okay. Are we clear?
Yes, yes,
Any
clear.
questions so far?
No, no.
None so far. Okay. So there. Wait a second. Okay. So what we're going to do is, since we're already done with that and no more questions so far, I want you now, Eddie, to make your own sentence or sentences using positive, negative, present continuous, what else? Future,
Uh,
past, and present perfect. Future, past, and present perfect. So it's very easy to do that since you already know that you just need to use one sentence and just change the forms of the verb, right?
okay.
Okay, so can you make your own example now?
Um, uh, I teach my some homework.
My son, homework.
Yeah.
So I'll check this one later.
Okay. I don't teach. I don't teach my son homework. For negative.
Okay.
For negative.
Next.
Uh, I am teaching my son homework.
Okay, next.
Uh, I am going to teach my son homework. Next is I taught my son homework. Uh, uh, Person perfect. I have taught my son homework.
All right. So let's just analyze the sentence first. The first sentence. Can you read it again?
Okay. I taught my son homework.
Huh? I thought. Positive.
This one.
Positive, not past. I said.
Oh, positive. Oh, I teach. Sorry.
Ah,
I
yeah.
teach my son homework.
All right. So my question is, do you think your sentence construction is correct or not?
Let me see. I teach my son. My son's homework.
Okay, got it. I teach my sons homework. Anything? Anything to change?
Mm, no.
Are you sure?
I'm sure I teach my son's homework. Homework is non.
I will give you 5 seconds again to think if your sentence is correct or not.
Positive. Positive.
Four,
At,
3, 2, 1. I
yeah.
forgot. I forgot to count. Okay, so what's your final answer?
Yes. No change.
Okay. So you stick to your answer, and your answer is.
Ta-da.
Ta-da! No, not
Oh.
ta-da. It's. Okay, yeah, that's correct.
Ah. I just my son to rely on my teacher.
No, 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 it's okay. So let's just change those into sons, right?
Yeah, my son.
Okay. All right, so next number. Negative. Number negative.
Number negative. Yes. Don't change everything. Yeah.
Okay.
I think
Are you sure?
yes. Very sure.
5, 4, 3, and. Ta-da-nan.
Then
Ta-da-nan. Okay, next. Present continuous.
present continue. I am teaching my teaching. Yes, correct.
Are you sure?
Yes.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and. Ta-da-nan.
Uh,
Next. Future.
I'm going to teach my son's homework. Yes.
Okay, and past.
Um, I think your spelling is correct, but I'm not sure. Past and tall.
Again, can you say it again? Uh,
Yeah. My pronunciation for the teach
Pronunciation.
pronunciation for the the teach is past tense. I is maybe not correct because sometimes I was so tall described short and high, the tall and tall.
Mm. So, what should be the spelling? Do you want me to change the spelling?
No, no, no.
Ah, okay, sorry.
Yeah.
So, you think it's not correct?
Uh, my wording is correct, but if you ask me to type into spelling it,
Ah,
uh,
so,
I I may not
mm-mm.
uh, type type in correct word,
You
especially for the thought.
you might not type it correctly.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Okay, so I taught my son's homework, but don't worry, it's correct. Teach, taught, taught. Always remember the spelling. It's the past tense of the word teach is taught, Taught.
Thought.
Yeah, and not like thought. Thought is the past tense of the word think.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. These two. On the spelling, I need to double check again. Use a lot to check this. My email is correct or not.
Ah,
Thought.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So there. Present perfect. I have taught my son's homework. Sure?
Yes. Sure.
Okay, yeah, perfect. So you got six. You got a total of six perfect or correct answers. So it's perfect six and job well done. Just
Thank you.
always, yeah, just always be careful with the use of your words when constructing a sentence, okay?
Okay. Yeah,
Okay.
got it.